Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to track TikTok ads, performance, conversions, and retargeting, here is the honest truth in 2026. Hostinger Website Builder doesn't support full TikTok pixel injection like WordPress, but you can still integrate TikTok pixel correctly using the supported and realistic methods. So most people fail because they try to install TikTok pixel as if they were on WordPress or Shopify. So we will not do that. In this guide, I will show you how to integrate Hostinger Website Builder with TikTok pixel in 2026 the right way with clear limits and working solutions. Okay, so first thing first, create a TikTok pixel. Okay, so go to TikTok Ads Manager, open Assets, go to Events, click Create Web Events, choose TikTok Pixel and select Manual Setup. Copy the base pixel code. You need the full pixel script, not just the ID. Okay, so check for native pixel integration. So log into Hostinger HPanel. Okay, go to Websites. Open website settings and integrations, so you have to have a upgraded account. So look for TikTok pixel or ads and marketing integrations. If TikTok pixel field exists, paste pixel ID, tap save, and then publish. So this is the cleanest or the most effective method, but availability varies by plan and region. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.